Tired of squinting to find the right Jira project among a sea of identical icons? Here is how to change any project icon in under a minute. All right, we are going to start from your Jira dashboard. I will show you exactly where to click to customize your project icon. And trust me, once you see how quick this is, you will wonder why you didn't do it sooner. So here we are in Jira on the Projects page. This is where you see that long list of all your active projects. And if you are anything like me, you have more than a few. When they all use the default little icon, it can honestly be a pain to tell them apart at a glance. Now find the specific project you want to customize. Hover your mouse over it. You do not need to click into the project or open anything yet. Just hover right over the name. Once you are hovering, you will see a little menu appear. Look for the 3 dots. Just click on those 3 dots. A drop-down menu will pop up. From that list, you want to select Space Settings. Now, a quick heads up here. This is one of those places where the naming can trip people up. In Jira, a project is considered a space. So even though you are changing a project icon, the option lives inside Space Settings. That is completely normal. And here is the really important part. Inside the Space Settings, scroll down a little and look for the section called Details. In that section, you will see a summary of your project, including the current icon. Right next to the icon, there will be a button that says Change Icon. Click that. A new window will open, and this is where the fun truly begins. You have 2 options here. You can pick one of the preset icons Jira has available for you. They have a decent selection of colors and symbols. But for me, the best option is to upload my own icon. It makes the project instantly recognizable. So if you want to go the custom route, click the button that says Upload a Photo. Now your computer's file browser will open. Just browse through your files and find the image you want to use. It should be a standard image format, like PNG or JPG. I usually stick with a simple logo or a clear symbol. It works best at that small icon size. Select your image file and then click the Select button. That will load the image into the window. You will see a preview of how it will look, and when you are happy with it, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. And that is it. You are done. Your project icon will instantly update and show up everywhere in Jira, on your dashboard, in your boards, and in your project list. It makes navigating your workspace so much smoother. I have walked through this process many times with teams, and the difference it makes in daily workflow is honestly huge. No more hunting and pecking through a wall of identical icons. Now everything has its own visual cue. You can spot your project at a glance without even reading the name. Give it a try on your most important projects first. It takes less than a minute, and it really does save you that mental energy every single time you open Jira. Thanks for watching.